Listen, we got water, and they're all ready. He's putting in the baking soda. And then he's going to stir them together. We have a stir somewhere. We had a stir.
You had, but you don't. Oh my God, if I get wet, I will snow.
And watch what Christian does. He does something special to his lava. He's going to reveal his secret.
You did it for all classes?
Just his class, which was 5th period. And he wanted to do it for you guys, and I said, sure.
Oh, thank you.
He wanted to get a math class, I think.
You wanted to do that.
Okay, quickly. I told him it'd be a minute.
I'll maybe put this on YouTube. Maybe.
Don't put it on YouTube.
If you guys are okay with it.
If you put it on YouTube, I'm not okay with it because I'm going to get wet. If you put it on YouTube, I'm going to sing.
Okay, look at the next ingredient.
Ingredient.
Now, he's very exact about this. Watch it. He puts in just the right amount. And he's going to take the lid off first.
Open it.
No, just pull it
Oh
out.
my gosh.
Oh, you don't do the dishes very often, do you?
Oh.
Pop it up. It's called a dishwasher.
Oh, is it out? Here, let me get you some more.
No, it's
Okay,
not.
okay.
It's very
It just
exact.
came out. It came out.
I know.
You ready?
Going back there so I can
Step 3.
red food coloring.
That is food coloring.
Get green.
He's gonna make some pretty awesome.
Gonna get wet.
Yes. That's why it's called food coloring. You can put it in your food.
No, but can you like eat it? Like,
Why would you want to?
Mike, your head's in the way.
I don't know. That's weird.
no.
Sure you could.
Gotta be careful.
Look at this.
1, 2,
Blue
3, 4, 5.
lava.
Oh.
You should have did red.
No, that's
I did blue lava.
orange.
I did blue lava. Yeah?
And the
What did the
final
blues for?
ingredient.
Blue is gonna
Okay, wait, you gotta stir it first, remember?
Stir it, stir it, stir
If
it.
it's not huge, I'm gonna be very disappointed.
It's like,
Does it like go up in the air?
What? No,
How far does it go?
Oh yeah.
It's a runny.
Wait, my mom makes it right.
It's gonna just float?
She just goes like that.
It's gonna float in midair.
our classroom.
Cool.
Now, this is a volcano that is located in the jungle, and this monkey's gonna try to escape the lava.
Where?
So whenever he's ready, he's gonna try to run away from the lava.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Run, monkey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh no, he's dead.
You're not happy anymore.
See?
I'm very disappointed.
Up there.
He's all smiling and stuff, but he's dying. Why is he happy?
Maybe he likes it.
Why couldn't it be like a huge explosion? It would be
Yeah, like a long ceiling.
We've got one of those coming.
Really?
This one.
Well, I'm angry right now.
Dude, you're
I'm
the
angry
shot.
right now, so yeah.
Okay, that's it.
The monkey's dead.
Okay, give him a round of applause, people.
Just joking, put this on YouTube.
Okay, Christian, can you
Yeah,
carry
put that on
this
YouTube.
back to
I
the
will.
counter?
Sweet.
I don't want
Volcanoes
to get
part
all
1.
vinegary.